so I have already primed my face with my moisturizer and my Mabel and Meg serum, and now I am going to start with using my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is the shade 140, and I am combining just a drop or two of the NYX Total Control drops. Now using highlighter, I am going in with the ColourPop and Kat Von D. And now using my contour stick in the Anastasia Beverly Hills shade Fawn. And now picking up a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to go all over this and smooth it out. Picking back up my Kat Von D Whiteout shade, I'm going to just highlight my nose to where I want the more highlighted points to be. That is the bridge and the tip. And now for the setting powder, I am using my RCMA setting powder. And now I am going to attempt to do my eyebrows because somehow, some way, I always mess them up. Here goes nothing. Now, using the NYX Control Freak gel those brows in place. We already primed our eyes with concealer, so we are going to just go ahead and put our eyeshadow on using the Love You So MOCHI eyeshadow palette from NYX. I'm just going to be dusting a little bit of this pink shade right on top. And now we're just going to apply some bomb-ass mascara to our eyelashes. And this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. They do have a waterproof if you're interested. I'm just going to apply a little bit of the shimmer shade to the bottom of my eye waterline. Then apply some mascara to the bottom of your lashes. Now I am applying blush from my Opera Pro palette, going in with this shade right. Going into the Opera glazed donut highlighter. And then picking up a brush that looks something like this, we are going to apply freckles. Press them in with your fingers, and then go over with some setting powder. Brush away the excess. Whoops, forgot highlight under the eyebrow. Now we're picking up our ColourPop lip liner in the shade Contempo, and then our ColourPop lippy pencil in the shade Lumiere. And I'm just going to do my hair real quick, and that will actually be in a separate video, so be sure to check that one out. It is just a simple how to curl your hair video, and I will be right back. And this is the completed look. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and you will continue to watch and of course subscribe. But this is it, and have a nice day everyone.